been a long night of studying. You walk out of the HCC, glancing right and glancing left. No one's around. It's pouring. You're tired, having spent 5 hours studying, and it's now 1 a.m. Standing under the small roofed area right outside the front door, you see a few cars pass by and drive up and down the hill. Having realized you forgot your rain jacket and umbrella, you stand there, contemplating. The sound of the rain is relaxing to hear, compared to all of the noise inside the HCC. So you decide to stand there for a minute, taking a deep breath, and just listen.